I will answer the question first before I will talk about the Saga Media Group. The ultimate objective of every business is to make profit. In somewhat sense is correct, but many organizations are driven by some other purposes also. There are two types of organizations. One can say profit first, society second. Some organizations says society first, profit second. Or every organization always think about the profit, but they always think what is the cost they are going to pay to earn the profit. In my organization, the direction is very clear. Think about the society first. Profit will automatically generate it. If you are going to take care of the every stakeholder in the society, every stake of the environment, every stake of the government and other ecosystem who supports us, the profit will generate. Sometimes in the short run, we may think that the cash flows, profits are more important than the other aspects. But if you take the longer run, maybe 5 years, 10 years, you definitely find that if you take care of the others or society first, the society will support you to generate profit more. Take example of the Tata or good institutes. They are always known for their social work, not for the profit. There are also big organizations, big companies, but they are known for their contribution to the society, not for the profit making. I think every organization has a clear vision how to grow in the business and what should the priority while working in the business.
So coming back to Uday Yadavji, you are also media. So I will also like to ask that we discussed many issues here, like the accident, job, migration, and many things. So because working with the media, you also have a great deal of you can say that you understand the public perception. So what do you think about the public person? What they are think, how they view this just transition? What is their understanding that you get to know through your people on the ground? That is this topic that is being discussed in the larger people, or it is just like some conference topic?
Thank you. Very nice question. I think when we discuss this issue with the ground level people, they are aware about what is happening at the top. They are discussing about the green revolution, they are discussing about the AI, they are discussing about the new technologies, new laws, regulations, and they also like to know what impact will be happen once they start uh, getting impact of that decision or any revolution. When all of sitting here, I think we went through the transition and we find out our ways also. I will give couple of examples, just like banking. When the ATM machines came to banking, there was a discussion that there would be great job loss in the banking and there will be no need of the employees in the banking sector. But once the ATM are spread all over the country, the banking people are more engaged in the selling other products and they're making banking sector more profitable. If I take example of the computers, 20, 25 years back, people were thinking there will be no jobs available once the people will start running the computers. But now the IT industry has grown and IT industry is one of the largest exporter to the Indian GDP. So I think that is also contributing positively. Third example is the news. When we started our career in the newspaper industry, people used to say, why you are joining newspaper, who is going to use or nobody is going to read the newspaper in the future. But with the evolution, we went up into the television, radio and events, activities and also in the digital. It means the revolution is exposing more jobs and more opportunities. And same way, people are thinking that they need to update and upgrade themselves to be a part of this revolution. They are more keen to take new courses, short courses, long courses. They also know which curriculum they should go through by which they will be able to get jobs in the future. Sometimes I think that people are preparing for the jobs those don't exist today. But with the soft skills, they are very confident that in the future they will get, with the fundamental knowledge, if they are able to get some soft skills, they will be able to do jobs in the future. I think people and society is more wiser, they are more adaptive. If we are thinking about how the innovations will take place in the future, they are also thinking about how it will be adopted in the future expansion or in the growth of the economy. And I think society, corporates and government are taking much care of this segment, and they will make all suitable laws, regulations and guidelines so that the large society will be part of this changing process. What happens when we, as a corporate, we deploy more than 10,000 resources at Sakan Media Group, but when we see there is a gap between our requirements and students coming from the academia or colleges. We normally you teach all the conceptual knowledge at the campuses or practical knowledge at the campuses, but we require some other skills or maybe capacities in the student, those who are willing to join the corporates. First is physical fitness. As you start coming to the office, you need to spend a lot of time in the travels, 8 hours in the office, sometimes outside travels, sometimes need to come to Goa for attending conferences. But he should be physically fit to do so. Second is mental fitness. In every corporate there is a targets, and when you start putting some pressure about the targets, people get disturbed. And the mental fitness is the one of the great quality we like to have with the new employees. Then financial awareness, you can say literacy. They are like engineers and other people, doctors, or they are good about their own skills. But when they start dealing with the financial numbers, they get lost. I think financial literacy is more important for the engineers or doctors also. Two more. One is the interpersonal skills. People fail to work in the teams. And last is spirituality. We need to inculcate what is good, what is bad, how to help others. These qualities should be built in the colleges, in home. And if you get the package of these 5 qualities, the people are most welcome on board.